Indian Institute of Management Shillong haka kharway tarik unaitung arhajar arpulai kala khod ikinong elam ka kli ikinong sanshar shnong ka briu nyutrap balalam khmat uba RL bla ki principal jangka college prepare kan thop ya ka Shillong College Synod College u Father Richard Manbhamajau uba mi khmat ya ka Shillong Archdiocese Education Society banya taya ther halor ka Pule puthi ki samla kajing thumu bakong sana kani kajing alang kalong ba kumno ban penslur ki samla kani ka than bekin yo lan banet Pule kani ka school ba ka IIM ka badon hangni hanong ba Shillong habekran shikilar pathai khubor hadian kajing alang u director jangka IIM Shillong u professor DP Goyal le thu ba kani kajing alang kalong ka ba seiso bat nakalyang jukinong alam ki college prepare bat kinong alam ka kli kinong san charge nong ka briu nyutram kin ses nok tilang ban penslur ya ki samla Pule ban Pule hakani ka school ba.
Now celebrating 15 years of our existence. IIM Shillong was established in the year 2007 and we started our first MBA program in the year 2008. So we have just completed 15 years. And as far as IIM Shillong is concerned, we are having 3 different programs, that is MBA, PhD and Executive MBA. But also we are having centers, that is Center for Development of Northeast Region and also Center for the Incubation and New Startups. Also a center for Dr. Abdul Kalam Center for Policy Research. So today we have just invited, requested all the devotional people just to have some interaction dialogue with us so that we can understand their aspirations, their expectations from IIM Shillong. Because we are here and our students, they come through a very rigorous, tough test and there are about 700 students. And our students and all faculty colleagues, they would like to contribute something for the development of this region. So we were just trying to understand their expectations from IIM Shillong. Also, we also wanted to give us our vision that how we are going to do in the next 2-3 years. Like for example, we would now like to be going to all the schools and colleges of this place so that we can really make them aware about that how admissions in IIM happens. It could be IIM Shillong or any IIMs because there are only 20 IIMs. Students of this place and from all the Northeast region, they should know that how to enter IIM Shillong because sometimes they think that it is only for the elite class or the fees is very, very high. But we want to dispel all such fears because anybody can join us but only need some guidance or some mentoring or some hard work. And so that's the reason why we would like to go to different schools and colleges just to tell them that how to prepare for this exam, how to get admission, and as far as fees is concerned, the loans are available. Anybody who is getting admission in IIM Shillong, the loans are available without any collateral. And again, our placements, as we know, that is 100%, it's very good placements, so it should not be a problem for anybody. So today we have just wanted to have a dialogue to understanding that what are their expectations and how IIM Shillong can really reach out to all these people in the community at large and then see that how we can really contribute to this.
Thì các bạn có nghe người phân phối về những số ngộ và khảo ở cái này là IIM, bởi cái invite yang ni, cũng được sinh dục bằng in one bằng yang kedua iki. But kajing penpau jong new director noduk seni keren ru kalong ba ulap dan nilak bun senang. Nari kebasngolsi kalong ba kitrai snong kitrai muluk ki Khynnah ki jong ni kimwan ban wat admission ni. Ti ka scholarship ru bun ki hap pai no mon don bawan ti wat mentau senam ru ki dan tang sangut ki tribals no northeast but na ka jela ka jong ni don tang arngot ti kai ka bami nang ni kalong dak ba ngongo na kalian bersenjuk marni ngemuan na katagbat ron de educationist but ni na kalian juni ni apat ka special invitation kumikong iba ban hapungor ban don ni principal ka Shillong College i Father Richard Majau representing yaka institute yung Catholic institution borok koi pat nidon nungru ye ba ben lundok represent ya ka Synod College ti nia wan ne ba ni yo pan snap ya ka ai ba kini ki nong hikai nadu director jong ka IIM ki don banya thu ni pat ko kubor ko ba mentoy engi kolong ba ni nang pathat ba kani ka school ba Shillong baik tang ban Pule kok baik bat ka Jingmut ru ka bajur dan rai na pan semua tu ini ba sisen ba kila qualify ki students ya cat examination laki wan hang ne ka sponsorship na financial institution kalong sispa 100%. But ndala dep ang ni ka placement ya ki kamru kala up lupa. Na lor kani ka IAM ka kwa ban yasno ti bat ki dorbar snong bat ki school bat ki colleges bat ki kloy ban le kini ki college ki school hasor ne hanong kendang ban le ban persmoto ban ai ya ka jing yarap iki tu ginong kendang ki kena school nong kendang ban pun seluruh ki haka pule kadang le bat ya kitu ki bala kwa ban sedang ban trailer kam lo jong kilat kelenti kumno ban penyo ya ka funds yaki kumno ban ai training yaki bat kadon kata ka sektor baki khot hapo ka ni ke institute jong ka IIM kadai ka balong ka incubation period center ka baki hikai yaki ki ai training yaki khna ba ken pen khre elade tingis nakaliang jungi pi hapo not easy dei tang kani khoi ka IIM kabadan hang ne habaro khoi kari India ki don arphotuli kani kadi kbonyo hoj na po state ke jungi ngiyo sngo pat ngi ina ka pos ka pot baki khna khasi jungi ki pass qualifying ki IIM away kat bang nakala jong pat ndon bawat henry lamba kani ka jingkhang ba ba play menta kasngi balaya tho do new director long ki kloy ban ai khti kamon ka khti ka diang ban yarap ya ki brio lo jong nongkong ai ban ngis ngongu new director wat do dei bom dei na kani ka jella henry udan kata ka jingkit khale ba balik tra jella ki muan syakmat ti nakaliang ka jongi ngila ai ka khti kamon ka khti ka diang ya ka ni ke institute but nguru ikini ke laingot ke depan nang ni ke ba ni institutions ke repair ba ikong nei la invite yaki I father rukunjo ba ben rukunjo bakin one ke institute ke jongki bakin ai ke lectures ke jongki syaki kena school ki kena college kumno ban batai yaki hagano kom ki kwa ban pensiong nong rem ke jing em lejong ban sedang ya ke kam lejong kumno ban teng ya ke pule dang de bat kadon ru ko wei ka snat ke ba kidang supeni menta bat kata kadai ka badai bat kani ka a language issue bat ki hikai namenta ka ktin Japan bat ka duration jong kata ka course kolong shipu bana bat kindala dep ya kata kadon ru ka placement bakila ben trace po Japan but bun ki wei ki department support kani ka IIM ki plelat ki plelenti kalong job oriented sisin bala dep nang nin ai training nang ni kinyo but ngi khmilenti ta ka jingwan jong ki institute ki ba pher no ru ki school sedu ki college kan ai bat kan plelat iki khna ki jongi bangim dei ban smo do lat kut lat bangiwan niki yeng ki baduk ki bestam niki jaka ki bukendong marhang ne ka IIM ko ba ka airu ya ka hostel facility ka balong free ki mahap at sir ngai ni hap ban peni bang nilong ki badon kata ka capacity bat ki wei pat ki student ha ka re India hi barok ko wei lebih kat ni ngut ki kena kasih ngila produce niki IIM ke bapher niki wei ki institute jong re India ni kwa ba na kani ke badon hapo ka nongba ka jongi ka jela ka jongi ha kini ki sansnem ke banwan bengin I ba kimi diki phongot ki ba qualify ya kini ka IIM de sai sen ni ai play ka pang
namar ba kali gajeng kendu balong kumno bang ni krilang ba kani IIM aman ra gajeng men toy ba pun ba kina puli
ni nakaliang jong ki naka school ba naki colleges dia ngalak kham ni kwa ban khamban mak IAM kan kanya trilang ban ni colleges hakaliang ban kai yaki ban train yaki ban yo ki kam ki jam ban train yaki ban face ki interview yaki soft skills yang pentip shengi ki program jo fina nata ki Khynnah haki haka sing yaki kam ki jam la jong kum bakadon to kaset na bakum tak ter di kum ju rungi ong ba pentip ai jing tip shengi yaki training program amenya Shillong IAM hakaliang bangin train kinong ikai jumiru bagi Khynnah jumi kanumlong bakut no step yaka yuji ndai bakin perkhat manang ki usaplang tahi ka bang setengah lah bang iwan takat sini isu thu ba IAM ka dan hang ni raja pala kapsan sinem amba kumangi keren hi amba nimda yo pa ta jintip spangal komplej ko IAM ang iskem kani ka meeting takat sini kapli ya kata kalenti ba IAM kan collaborate pati colleges badon ka Meghalaya amtang bagi colleges ndai ban school makanya kan play lang bagi Shillong kan ra bagi Jingmut toy kan kata trickle down effect kan play bagi ni ki di Jingmut toy kin ya idut sabaro ba Khynnah jumi kin yo kam yo jam bakin yo ki Jingmut baka rihi kan yo Jingmut toy
bila bani tulim ni lihat kalau ke jing